This is the Dynamics Duo from VBOX Automotive. The VBOX 4 Dynamics unit, combined with the IMU05 unit, allows our customers to perform tests such as brake, tyre, ESC and handling tests to a very high level of accuracy. One of the big advantages of the VBOX system is just how quick it is to set up and install, with the VBOX securely fastened via the ISOFIX mount and the IMU mounted anywhere in the vehicle, either on the pole mount or via one of our roof mounted systems. Our VBOX Dynamics solution offers a low noise, low drift measurement of yaw, pitch and in this case roll angle. And with a small amount of roll on the vehicle, we can see this presented in real time. As well as pitch and roll angle, the VBOX also allows you to accurately measure slip angle in up to 5 different locations on the vehicle. This is perfect for all types of tyre and handling tests. As well as being able to view the data online, you can also see the data in post-process using our VBOX Test Suite software. This allows you to easily overlay different test runs and view the measured parameters such as roll and slip angle.